Hello! We've upgraded our Zapier integration with a new design and additional functionalities, giving our users greater access to information. Let's take a look. First, we need to go to Setup, then select Integrations. Next, we select Use Zapier and complete the login process to view the automated workflows. Once logged in, you can view all your existing workflows, edit them without leaving the 123FormBuilder platform. You can also explore popular workflows and search for apps to find one that suits your needs while browsing its most popular workflows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more product updates and form building tips and tricks.